As Central Washington digs out from all the recent snowstorms, there's disagreement tonight in one small town about who will plow the roads. The county offered to step in, but WashDOT said no thanks. The reason? The vaccine mandate. King 5's Glenn Farley is live at Snoqualmie Pass tonight. So, Glenn, this is a shift in what's been a long-standing relationship, right?
Well, it really has, and I am actually standing in Kittitas County. It starts here at Snoqualmie Pass, and for decades, the state of Washington's Department of Transportation and Kittitas County have had a very good relationship. They even have a mutual aid agreement. But that didn't stop this issue over the vaccine mandate.
After the big snow, mountain communities are still digging out.
It's been a while since we've had winter like this.
This is State Highway 903, and Rick Cowles lives right on it.
Out to the middle of the road, pretty much, we had about one lane until yesterday.
We've only been having one lane. I had a 8 to 10 foot mountain right here.
Morgan Matz lives right across that same state highway. But here's the story. Kittitas County offered to plow this road 2 days ago, but the Washington State Department of Transportation said no. Nobody could plow a state road without following the state vaccine mandate, and Kittitas County has no vaccine mandate. And in a snow emergency, that doesn't seem to make a lot of sense.
It's kind of crazy since they're in their own cabs by themselves. They aren't even within 6 feet of anybody.
And who are these guys? They're a contractor the state hired that did meet the vaccine requirements.
We also believe when public health and safety is at risk and we're in difficult times, that if things aren't happening, people need to know why.
Laura O'Shaughnessy is on the county's Board of Commissioners.
And so what I'm hoping this does is brings back the conversation to reassess what makes sense as far as our essential workers, especially when they're working all by themselves.
Couldn't keep up with it, basically, to get out of the driveway to go to work.
Now, the state has argued that even if they took Kittitas County up on their offer, using plows over what really is just 0.2 of a mile would not have really worked anyway with this amount of snow. Well, there's a lot of it up there because the homes are very close to the road there, and they are. But they don't dispute that the core of this issue is around their willingness to allow others to not have to comply with that vaccine mandate. Live at Snoqualmie Pass, Glenn Farley, King 5 News.